Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deanna, and tonight, it's 11:30 p.m. here in Hawaii on Friday night. I got home and my mailbox was full. I had some happy mail from my friend, Food Cat. I got my order of the villains, Doorable villains that I'm going to open for you. And I also bought 3 Series 7s from Walmart. Walmart Doorables are $5.12. Anyway, if you can hear all that laughing and screaming and singing, it's my neighbors. It's Friday night, and this is pretty typical. They're very nice people. I guess they work hard and they want to party hard. So anyway, I'm going to start off, guys. Actually, I was going to start off with this, but I think I'll start off by showing you what my friend Food Cat got for me. Okay. In it, she has a cute little owl that says thank you. Oh, I got T-Rex. She got me T-Rex. I need T-Rex. Okay. Here is my card with all the ones that I need for Series 5. So you see T-Rex is down here. So I am going to cross T-Rex off the list. This may be a long video, guys. She also gave me, oh my gosh, I forgot she had this for me. It's Toulouse. Let me get him out of here so you can see him. That completes my Aristocats. This lighting is horrible. Let me bring this lighting a little closer. Ah, the lighting's falling. But look at Toulouse. No, it's not Toulouse. It's Burst something. I don't know how to say his name. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh. Okay. She also gave me Mowgli. But Mowgli is from series. Sorry, I always say season. Series 7. You see Mowgli right there. Mowgli, so I can cross him off the list. Oh, he fell. Mowgli gets crossed off the list, honey. What's the next one she gave me? See, she told me, but I forgot. Oh my gosh, Prince Charming. She told me, but I forget. I'm old, guys. Look at Prince Charming. Okay, Prince Charming is part of we want to say season. He's part of 5. He's right here. He gets crossed off. So excited. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is Olaf with kind of like his Dapper Dan. I don't know what you call this, but you know, his Dapper Dan look, I guess. Okay, he gets crossed off of Series 5 again. Series. Okay. Aurora. I'm trying to remember where Aurora is from. Aurora. Oh. Aurora. She's on Series 5. She's right here. Now, my friend also got Maleficent, but she loves Maleficent, so she wasn't going to give me a Maleficent. But honey, Maleficent is in my villains pack. Okay, she gets crossed off. Where are you? Right there. Aurora, you're out of here. Okay. My goodness. Another great one. Thumper, and Thumper is flopped. Okay, look at Thumper. Thumper is so cute. Guys, if I look ridiculously tired or just gross, it's because I just got done driving over 10.5 hours. I'm pretty tired. Now, I did end up getting this one from something I opened, but I am really happy to have him. Alien. So he gets crossed off too. Okay, now there's something in here. And I don't know what it is, but it's from my friend. Did she tell me and I forgot? What the heck is this? Oh, it's the Doorable charm. Look at it. It's the Doorable charm. I guess not bracelet, but you know, you hook it to your bag. I don't know why I can't think of the name. And it comes with these little charms. I'll show you real quick. It comes with the little shoe. See, like a Minnie Mouse shoe. This is adorable. Speaking of Doorables. Oh, she gave me a little keychain. Now, I don't think this came with the Doorables, but isn't that cute? Like a Mickey donut. Oh, this is cute. Look at that, guys. Mickey charm. Oh, I'm loving this. And look, she's got some water in her face. I'm not too sure why, but that's just the way they made it. Okay, now I also got a Daisy. Now I found out that she loves Daisy. My daughter loves Daisy as well. And then it also came with, excuse me, another one of her shoes. And it came with Figaro. Isn't that cute? Oh, see, so I've never opened up a Disney Doorable charm bag clip. So now I know what it entails and what it looks like, what it feels like. Okay, moving right along, guys. I'm hoping in each one of these Doorables you can get 2 or 3 Doorables. Now this is a Series 7, and this one right here has 2. So I'll go ahead and open it. And for the Series 7, where's Series 7? For Series 7, I need Elsa, Bagheera, King Louis, Fear, Anger, Ray, and Prince Naveen in human form. Oh, I need quite a few. Okay, let's hopefully I got one of those. Nope, I got another Princess Tiana, which is fine. It's fine. That's okay. We can roll with that. We're okay. Oh, I got a color reveal Pascal. So I have to put him in water to see what color he is. See down here, you can get him in blue or you can get him in orange. Okay, now let me open the next one. My husband is still at work, so try to get this video done before he comes home. This box only has 2 Doorables. This is a small one. Oh, I think it's Ka. No. Oh, it's another Princess Tiana. Princess Tiana in frog form. So that's a good one. So I wonder if I had this one already. Oh, Joy. I already have her. It's okay though. It's okay. We're all good. Last one is right here. Get my handy dandy scissors. Break them open. So far, we didn't get any that I need. This one also has only 2 in them. Sometimes you're lucky and you find 3. Oh, I think I already have her. Yes, it's Anna. Queen Anna. I already have her. So I'm guessing I already have this one. I took a chance, guys, and I bought these 3 boxes. Yeah, it's the Beast. That we don't like you, Beast. We love you, Beast, but we got you. Okay, guys, now for the main attraction. If you're still with me, here we go. Opening my Disney villains. Now, check this out. Okay, listen. You can get all of these villains. Now, I'm not a huge villain fan, but I'm a Doorable fan. I'm just going crazy with Doorables. So if you see here, here's all the villains that will be in this box. But see right here, it's the bonus. Not every box has a bonus. I'm hoping this box has a bonus. And this looks like it is Maleficent in dragon form. Okay, let's open this up. Let's open this up. Okay, now they all come with this. You open it up and you have your Doorables Villain Special Edition certificate with all the pictures in the back. I keep all my certificates right there in safekeeping on my desk. Now I'm just going to start opening them up. Now what'll happen is if I got the bonus, there'll be two of these packs in one door. Okay, wait, 3, 6, 9, 12. Yeah. So open the first one and it is Ursula. Now I have a Ursula, but I'm wondering if this Ursula is little, well, it could be a variant. Her face is translucent. So it could be one. I have her back here on my wall, but it could be one that I don't have already. Opening door number 2. I just love these green bags. Oh, it's Scar. And I wanted a Scar. So he's going to go by my Simba that I have. And I think I have Zazu. I would love to have a Pumbaa and Timon. Okay. The third one is the Evil Queen. So she is going to go by my Sleeping Beauty. And I think I have Sleeping Beauty and I have the 3 fairy godmothers. So she'll go there. At first I was trying to separate them by series, but I like them better grouped with their, story. Okay, Dr. Facilier. And I believe I have one, but I think this one is different from the one I have. And I'm going to check those out after I end this video. Okay, the 5th door, it only had 1 package. Oh my gosh. Can't rip it. I must be tired. Oh, this is really nice. This is Jafar. So he'll go, I think I have Abu, I have Princess Jasmine, and I have Aladdin. Okay, this door only has 1. I'm really loving this green color. Oh, I wanted to have him. Okay, this is Tamatoa from Moana. Now, he's on one of these. Let me see. Okay, I want to see. I wonder if it's the same one. See, he is on here for series 5. He's right there. I wonder if it's the exact same one and I can cross it off. Oh, I forgot Tamatoa was going to be in there. I have a nephew named Tama. No, I have a nephew named Tama, a nephew named Toa, and a nephew named... Oh, I was going to say Tamatoa, but it's not. It's Tai Tama. No, it's Tai. Yeah, it's Tai Tama. Okay, look. Look at that. She looks really great. Isn't that awesome? No, I don't like using the word awesome for Doorables. Isn't that cute? She looks great. I can't think of her name right now. The heck? Cruella de Vil. The Devil. Okay. I really hope I got I really hope I got the bonus piece. Oh, this is, if I had a favorite villain, this would be one of them. Lady Tremaine, and her hair is flocked. I love that. So I don't have a Lady Tremaine, but I have Anastasia and Drusilla. So this is going to be perfect. Oh, I'm so excited about that. I just need a Lucifer. I don't know why they named the cat Lucifer. Like, why would you do that? That's like the devil's name. Okay, moving right along because this is a long video. If you're still with me, here's Captain Hook, which I have, but this Captain Hook, I can already tell he's glittered. And you know what? In my Peter Pan series, I have 1, 2, this would be the 3rd figure that I have that's glittered. So just because I have 2 doesn't mean that he's an extra. Okay, guys. Oh, Queen of Hearts. Okay, I have Queen of Hearts, but it's not this one. See, this one's different. Her face is red. She is PO'd, guys. PO'd. Okay, I'm into door 11. And it only has 1. What is it? Ooh, that's Maleficent, and she is translucent. So you see the black area? All of that area is translucent. So she is a variant. She's not exactly the one that is on here, I don't think, because it doesn't look like, looks like her face is translucent in that one. Ooh, her face is translucent in here too. But I don't know. But anyway, at least I got her. Okay, the last door, guys. Will there be 2? No. Only 1. Ooh, I don't like this guy. This is Hades. He's evil. I don't like him. Okay, guys. That concludes my Doorables video. Let me know what you guys thought about the Doorables. Let me know if you're going to get a villain set. It's available on Amazon. I think it was $19.99. That's a great deal because you can buy 2 for $5, or you can buy 12, possibly 13 for 20 bucks. Simple math, guys. Hope everybody's having a great day. Take care now. Bye.